Hi, if you wanna get back free button navigation on the Samsung Galaxy S25, then all you have to do is open settings on the phone. From here, choose display tab and then scroll a bit down to find the tab which is named navigation bar. Tap it, and as you can see, in my case, swipe gestures are enabled, so this line appeared on the bottom of the display. To switch back to free button navigation, just tap on buttons, and now you'll see your free buttons on the bottom of the screen. You can also tap more options and change its order. For example, we can move back arrow to the left side like that, but I prefer this order. And that's basically it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.